Hi everyone, this is Ms. DeLu. In this digital lesson, we will be looking at Module B, Lesson 2, Single Issue and the Giver. Our objective today is students will organize opinions and ideas in a logical manner by organizing and depicting information logically. In addition, students will justify opinions and ideas using examples, explanations, and terminology by negotiating ideas and knowledge with peers and teachers. You will want to make sure you have your digital lesson guided notes doc up in a tab. They should look like this. You'll watch the digital lesson and take notes as you watch. Let's get started. We always start with approaches to learning, or ATL skill. For this lesson, the skill is negotiate ideas and knowledge with peers and teachers. Now, take a moment to stop and answer this question. What is one way you have negotiated with a sibling or parent? Looking at part 2, how to negotiate ideas and knowledge. Remember the 4 L's. You look at the person you're speaking with, lean forward with them slightly to indicate that you're engaged in the conversation, listen actively to what is being said, lower your voice. Now look at these 4 L's and highlight which of them is the hardest for you to do when you're interacting with a peer. It's also important to be open-minded and to use appropriate language. So we are going to review appropriate language for restating and clarifying ideas. Restate means to repeat what has been said. Can it be in the same words or paraphrased? It can be in the same words or paraphrases. And clarify means to restate what has been said in the form of a question or make it more clear to understand. When restating or clarifying, it's important to keep your tone measured and not sound accusatory. Be ready to listen to a response from the person who made the original statement. Listen closely to what is being said so you understand. It would sound like this. So you said or think, so your idea, you might say, what do you mean by that? Or to clarify. Now we're moving on to part 2 of Module B, Lesson 2. For this part, the skill is to organize and depict information logically. How might you logically organize your closet? Write your response here. How to organize and depict information logically. You can look at chronological order, spaces between ideas, grouped ideas, placement of important ideas, or logical image depiction. Organizing and writing a paragraph. I want you to highlight which comes first, the elaboration of the evidence or the evidence itself. So when writing an academic paragraph, use the following sentence organization. You start with the topic sentence, then you do the transition word with evidence. The next is another transition word with elaboration of evidence, and then a transition word introducing new evidence, and a transition word explaining it, elaborating on that evidence. And if it's a standalone paragraph, you might need to have a concluding sentence. Let's go ahead and review our objectives for this lesson. Students will organize opinions and ideas in a logical manner by organizing and depicting information logically. Students will justify opinions and ideas using examples, explanations, and terminology by negotiating ideas and knowledge with peers and teachers. Now you'll go on and do the next lessons, practice activities, or mastery check. Good luck.